atiefoɔ adɔfoɔ ne Ghanafoɔ anapenso ne ameka ne sɛ medin de Prophet Erika Kwesientwi arapai mamene wo nkyɛ ɔhaw bi a yɛnua baa bi ekom ɛne di kan mame nkyia Ghana man nyinaa obebe saa de no difo asɛm yɛsi na asɛ man nyinaa president onkasa mfa ho onyanko da na oda aminchia Ghana man nyinaa ba bi sa chia bruchirifo nyinaa ma na ma minchia me yere Queen University aminchia ma me Juliana awa bruchirifo ni America ne se yenua ba Moesha bodon a wa twadi ne so aben Moesha osi bodon ne de omfanka ho biem ya titinu so allege nyama bi cause say yenua muna usewai ase sofo bi a ofiri Nigeria ena ayenesa nti Ghana sofo mon sorry na yemisa se so oman emrawum ne se ansana be perspective ministry wo ma we mu itwa se ufa a certain process mo na ansa watimi ayanyame adwuma no wo man Ghana mu na eni dia Ghana fo binim emfa ma Ghana sofo se menu aba ne kase Ghana so asofo nsore ya sabe menene nya adwene because of they don't value what they have mu Ghana sofo a omo enti se wo na ode oba man Ghana ma be kanya mesam de ya papa but sofo de free Ghana ha de oyazan ni eniti era ma yenua baabu don se no kure se etisa ena oba ne koda atiti we mu a ya me kan se menua baabu kasai no so si sofo de nim gwase bre Ghana ni a you make a statement say onya Ghana ni we Nigeria ni na ma how Ghana cherish Nigeria's pastors. It is what me the more accord this kind of situation more. Ayemo any Ghana so for be ni more. Yen yen say we sacrifice for people no. And ama Moesha budon akosa de we. Na ye mi say ni ameti say yenua ba yi kan say waton ne car so this kana koma sofo no waton atare so this kana koma sofo no se nyama bia o Moesha bodon ho bia ya obonsam nyama de na sofo ne diskara so aje obonsam siga wo Benjamin kan say min condemn sofo no and I mean condemn Moesha bodon and I mean condemn yenua ba no ne okasai no muna no min condemn no but ne atia ne say yantias yes Christianity is a belief and trust. You believe and trust and understand where you are going. And Moesha budon tiasie say ogisofo ni di. I think say Ghana for e be kan okura kire ye ho a yendi kan emma ne ewo no ye ni so ye peja ahoho abreti mamuni ase. That's our problem. Ni Moesha budon akomuno se me sof me tena na me kasa ye me da na me boa. This is a time we need to pray and rescue our youth. me youth. This is a Ghana time I suffer. Just see a bonfire, a rescue your youth. No. They said demonic camp. Abe uru o Ghana. Na me bro Ghana youth asua. Eya manfo from timamfo. Ana de aba Ghana. Ana Ghana forma asua. Ene robbery a ekoso. Enyina no fire Nigerians. And when Ghana for a team up and a buckle no. The fraud work, fire Nigerians. One was a Ghana as a whole, a soft country. May I make a say, Moesha Budon baby will be a. But if I am praying for you because I am a woman president. And I love and I respect and I cherish women. Because your descendant, your generations, so we now qua be our descendant, our generation. Our mother woman. They have the key role to play in this country, Ghana, called Ghana. It can be young. So you intimate international say I'm one pipe, so we ridicule you. Yeah, you ever mock you and those kind of things. I'm for you. Then when is the time the friends of Moesha must show concern and yet tell me and yet tell me for you boy. And then you when I make for one be make fame. If the family of the people Atiasia, nyame unkonkron, and they take over. But ohia God is so be guiding, you know. Because a heavy, the whole body is temple of God, and He has opened the Spirit of God. Aquatrabon for over years. At Nabra Bonina to 2 years. Sabi, oh, yeah, the truth is said, a brofukube, a katikati. No wura no to ho no hye sabi adwamata de ni nyina to attract men no o yusu ni nipadua na as a adwuma ni nyina mu no mutia ni ye wa firi mu enti won konkron be take place no ano ana fei so ukodwene ade bi a enya mebeka emre bi e wo man chene so say the Ghana celebrity must be very careful na eba na ehu but since some fisi ye kasa keke na mama sha tare we ada me kasa na me hwe we ya that's it will make you a landmark come say na mbeka no a me kan ye mompa bi didi matam no this is the result of this. Na so for be antie na yen hye so so even though be what tibia bi mu anya we pray for the person but we don't sell the item of the person yen ton ho agya pade no mfasika na mrawo no because yesu kan say me say me nam kontopo kwaso zakio so nam kontopo kwaso age obi bibia bo ho mpre na faide fama no. But sister there, it sings or you soon on one pedua. It is an area about the castle what on when Yamaria mass of one. And a soft one job on some can be. But the Yana may hear. Lady in Quadia. Any who a would ye. And so be so Christ mu ye. This is a timer. Is yet ya wano. Niyama Moesha Budon and Iban Hoso. This is a time we need to pray for her. This is a time here because what years of car it started from somewhere on your spiritual countdown. And no one who said no, Christ is a redeemer. Now, I can't say of free one when you when you peace of mind. Enti yema ywe se sabi wa boda momo dam ye. It's the Spirit of God who is controlling the whole temple. Because when konko na aba betra no so no, e do sin bone na wode ni padua na ye no. Enti obi amen criticize no, obi amen sere no, obi amen rekede no, because when you do that, now yes sir, it's like you are what they cope another extra pains more. Now the slave queens sir, mo from slave queens no. Mo share the mfre wuye mu. Then you need to repent. Monsesa. No my mum panifo so mama mai wana dwumanyo. Since mu kuntunu amoyo mo office. Oh, eno na emma we nyina eba. And another thing no. Se mu isi abodo onyama o tonto amasofo obi gidi ya. Ebre ni kaso se nantwi ni dua na nka nantwi ni to a wo konfo a okita no so enka wonsem. Intiminions of if it's true, you must be very careful. You must be very careful. You just say, "Adie bi ye tia no no. Ye nua ba Moesha budo no." We should pray for her. Maybe say when the family call me, I am going to put my contribution, and I am still even contribute. I pray for the lady say because also church man so. Let my phone shot. Let's be real for ourselves. Let's be pure. We shouldn't be fake. Because the most important thing is say, your man lady no, the cra, ewo Christum. Dan say ye best sereno. Dan say ye be fa ho. Agoro no ho. Christo ba no ama won wadware. Oba won mo ho afi. Oba won mo nim kingdom no. Then we can announce the kingdom. Then we can project the kingdom. Then we can take the kingdom to a certain level. What do you say? And the end, yes, say, we are here for help our sister. Na my one so bana. Mudi Moesha but I am role model. Because enajantra or can what me say is a very deep message. I say mema nom koda, then they take their glory. Because you don't know what they are doing the behind curtain. And it is the time we need to learn. Neya mompa ya me nua ba no. Na mama nya wo say Moesha bodo on life I say and say that is say God is about to do something. And the so-called slave queens. Nti yenya very careful. Me am no kasa me the prophet Erica kwasiantwi. Adodo ananim say me the spiritual controller. The spiritual capacity. Yenu aba na modam ye. Obi a okabia no mesrawo. Or more damn ye, read my list, or more damn ye. Nemo a spiritual attack. Because the throne no a Hindia no nipedia Yankopon temple no. Not temple being a team. Who been a tessa temple no. And sound spirit of God taking it out. But so for now all casted on no. So for now all directed on no. Well, how to go over it. And it's nama a peda because Moesha would on the cra mere in spiritual no oya mere. What do I say? And when we are dealing with certain things, we need to be prayerful. We need to have a spiritual direction. We need to have those who understand the spiritual things. But see, I yo ton waja padie. Then go on, do that and do that. It will be very difficult to see the hand of God. It will be very difficult to see the glory of God. To Ghana for this is the time. But we should pray for Our Lady, which is Moesha Budong. Yamon Paimano. Nien Sra Radishun Sumna Batan so say. Sa huma ni need yes. It shouldn't return back again. na ye bom pai ma no se awurade be take over na wabɛgye ne ho kora na wabɛyɛ enhwɛsode de ama yutu ni se na watimi apamaka a kyerɛ yutu ni se saa tebea no me kɔtwe me furu de agumeton me twa agumenufu me twa agumenkyɛn ma manya herbs me ton ayakɛse ni nyina no se emfaso bi ani so. He will give this across the message and people will listen. And I cannot wait to see that glory, which it will start from Ghana. Youth, Ghana, celebrities now, we slave queens. No? Now I'm face an end of my life. No? It's my prayer. Sir, I rather be from Moesha Budon so. Now I'm money about my so. Oh, I'm in show. No, you're so. Well, so far, I don't know my motivation myself. I don't want Kasama Atomacoma Sosa. And the American itself crying. She screamed, I say, a contact and a chemo honor, Fred, and some coming. But then the prophet Erica question, but that's a for God's revelation ministry. No, Quasiara Yosum Cassia young was Rassum, and a brand I am Pawakasi, Ujidi, and the Yawada Metanas. A radio Pejan and Zanin and New Yamano. On Sanamara also. No Yokasie. But I say, bye bye.